Our global village. Vibrant. Conversant. Interconnected. While we may speak in hundreds of unique tongues, the language of technology is universal. How is it that in a world with so many diverse civilizations, such singularity exists? Because of the global standards, developed and maintained by IEEE.
We really need standards to be able to talk unambiguously between different geographies, different teams across the world, and different companies across the globe.
The customers are choosing IEEE standards as their means to implement their project or the products because the IEEE standards helps them to achieve the implementation more faster and quicker.
With an ever-increasing global outreach, no country on earth is untouched by IEEE's standards.
I have seen many people from the IEEE coming over, not only talking to companies in China, associations and also government officials, trying to have them understand what IEEE is trying to accomplish, which I think is a very good thing.
If you go to India, you will see a lot of these government bodies have defined set of standards, and more or less these standards is what IEEE is following. So in that way it helps us a lot.
With dedicated regions, each focused on a specific geographic territory, IEEE helps build stability, continuity, and interoperability around the world.
India is certainly a big healthcare market, and if you want to develop better products, low-cost products with better user experience, we need to have some standards which are going to be in par with these requirements.
IEEE standards boost innovation, providing an international stage for the brightest ideas.
Even the government are preaching the importance of standard. There's saying there's different level of company, how they review on the food chain. They're saying the first-rated company, they're the ones that are developing standards, right? So this is why the standardization is very important.
The standards process is open to anyone in the world. All are invited to participate, provide diverse perspectives, and develop standards that can be globally applied, yet make sense locally.
We are not a closed group. We are welcoming people to make contributions as long as you have ideas that are very innovative and many people support that idea. I think that's a very good thing.
就是因为现在这个很多的这个中国公司，他们希望雇佣就是已经学习过、已经钻研过这个 IEEE 标准的这些学生，这样的话他们就可以很快的这个上手，很快的进行这个从事相关的研究工作。
The IEEE Forum brings together the best and brightest minds, networking to find common solutions.
The last IEEE meeting I went to, there were people there from China, Brazil, Colombia, Japan, United States, England, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, and Africa, actually South Africa.
The participation on the standards committees is both from users like myself as well as the manufacturers of the equipment. So it's a great networking opportunity.
We all had the same problem. We were trying to solve it together. That's pretty rare in these days. So it is truly an international organization because we have the same technology problems all over the world.
Participants in the process are the first to know about new ideas, new ways of thinking, with an unparalleled insight into what's next in technology, because IEEE attracts, on a global scale, industry's best talents.
I'm able to hear about some of the things that are happening in the industry before I might hear them otherwise.
Once student goes to these kind of standards, they develop a lot of expertise, the practical expertise, what they need to do if they want to get involved in any kind of job related to that particular domain.
It's a real win-win scenario, with the benefits flowing to both individuals and organizations.
You can build a better career, right, based on IEEE standards.
I encourage all African students, especially the engineers, to go for the standards because the standards are what defines your profession.
We're here to help you bring great ideas to commercial success. IEEE standards are all about consensus, and we build it.